Hello guys, welcome to my sea vlog in the boat. Diba? Waiting for the boat.
Hi.
Hi, say hi.
We are waiting for the boat. We will go for boating.
We'll go for boating. See, this one for us. This one for us.
This one, yes.
Hello everyone. Hi Pahad.
Uh,
Hello everyone. Good evening. Just wanna say hi, hello to all of you. This is the official Winston, and this time I will bring you to the sea. So I am your tour guide for tonight. As you can see, we're waiting for our queue to go inside in the boat. So we're going now to the boat. It's my first time to ride a boat in the night in Bahrain. So it's a little bit scary because first time experience. So my feeling it's happy, of course, little bit nervous. So first of all, we need to get our life jacket, of course, because it's very important if we ride a boat. It should be first a safety first, a life jacket. As you can see in my back, the water is too high. It's meaning it's high tide. It's little bit shaky, the boat, because it's wavy. This time it's winter, so it's windy. As you can see, the sea and the buildings. That tall buildings in the middle is rich Four Seasons Hotel. It's a 5-star Four Seasons. It's a good location, and if you see all these sides, it's all the restaurants and the hotels and the condominium. So as you can see the background, while we're moving now little bit past the lightnings and the people sitting at the side of this area, it's looking very good. So as you can see, we are moving little bit farther. We will ride this. This is my boat actually. So this all my friends, this family also, they are riding. So they are enjoying their family experience or time. So because now it's winter time, the air is very fresh. Outside is very cold. So as you can see the buildings in the top, in the background, the color of the water because of the lightnings. This is the bridge we will going out to this area. So we will show you the main city also of Bahrain in Manama. They call that one Manama, the capital city of Bahrain, because we will go out this area and we will see all the buildings in the main city. So first, we need to talk about Bahrain. So what is Bahrain? Bahrain is a population of 1.7 million people, Bahrainis. And the capital and the largest city is called Manama, which the people around 147 or 150,000 people, and mostly the people there in Manama is migrant workers. So that's the Bahrain. Then as you know, Bahrain, it's a Muslim country, so it's 99% of the citizens are Muslim. As you can see in my background, we're in the middle of the sea now. So this is the city at my back. You will see the beautiful lightnings of this building. See, this is the city. It's called Manama. So Bahrain is a richest country in the Middle East region, and its economy the depends on oil and gas and international banking of tourism. So it means the Bahrain, they depends especially the tourism. Most people here are the tourists. Mostly, I think the percentage of the Bahraini, it's little bit less than the expat people who are staying in Bahrain. See, as you can see now, this is the Manama, the capital at the back, and this is the buildings. This is all the business buildings, the hotels, the bank, and this the red one, the big tower. It's called the World Trade Center Tower. This is the World Trade Center Tower in Bahrain. See, as you can see, we're moving fast. I'm little bit scared also because it's night, but the beautiful view in the night, same like you, if you are in that middle of the sea, you can all see the Bahrain's in the east side, north and west, because you're in the middle of the sea, because Bahrain is a very small country actually. As you can see, all these buildings, I'm enjoying because it's my first time, and I'm always looking what is good and what is new. I'm excited actually because I'm enjoying I give my life time pass every time I have a day off, so I need to go out and refresh my minds. All, as we know, all we are working in the morning, so let's give a chance, a time to ourselves also, so that we can refresh our mind and stress. As you can see, this is the Manama, because we're just only rounding here in the Manama. Actually, this boat we rent, we ride and we pay around 2 dinar. It means like 250 pesos, and it will take time around 15 minutes to tour you in this area. So I am your tour guide for today. See, and I like the sea, and I like the place of Bahrain. It's small, but the people here, it's very friendly, and they're speaking very good in English actually, these Bahrainis people, and their school is good, and their open city. The alcohol here is free. I mean, it's allowed, but it's need take care also, because sometimes it's over drinking. It's not good. So meaning to say, it's allowed to drink your home or in the hotel, but outside it's not allowed. Actually, this the alcohol. So as you can see, guys, we're still in the boat, and I'm looking very fresh and very happy. I like the wind, the weather. The weather is very good. My hair is flying, so it's very cold now here in Bahrain. Especially you're in the middle of the water. It's very cold. So guys, I hope you like it, and I hope that I give you the right the right tour guide, because now I am a tour guide now here in Bahrain, so that I can explore and I will show you the beautiful places here in our place. So it's my second home, it's my second country here in Bahrain, because this is my second country that I went. So I like, because Bahrain, I compare Bahrain to Qatar, because I went to Qatar, and the difference between the Bahrain and the Qatar, the Bahrain is an open city, and the Qatar, it's semi-open, and mostly the character of the Bahrainis and the Qataris is very big difference. So as you go, and I wish you can come in Bahrain, and it's very beautiful. It's a small island, guys. It's not, if you want to go to the city, it's not, I think if if you drive all the Bahrain, it will take only 1 or 2 hours only. So we will return back. As you can see, this place again. This is the main place, and some of these boats, they're riding for like a taxi. You can go to the another island, which is they have a mall, and you will pay little money. And this one is for tourist sightseeing in the water and in the land. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and I enjoy also. I'm very happy. Really, I'm very happy that it's my first time experience. So I did it. So this time we're waiting to go out and to go down now, because so many people are waiting also to ride this boat. So guys, thank you for watching again, and of course after this one we need to eat, of course. So we went to McDonald's and eat some sandwiches, especially my favorite, the burgers. So guys, thank you and God bless you all. I hope you enjoy my vlog for today, and this vlog is called Tour Guide Vlog. So I'm a tourist guide of all of you. So thank you and God bless you. Have a nice evening. Good night. Bye. Ciao. So that's it for tonight.
Just stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like. Oh, and let's fall.